So we start by, of course, we always safety check to make sure the firearm is not loaded. Of course, magazine is empty. Check the chamber's clear, so we know this gun is unloaded. We take the receiver pin on the lower receiver. We take that out. This will separate the upper and lower receivers. In here is your bolt. This bolt right here is 556. We basically just remove this bolt here by pulling the charging handle out. The bolt itself will start to come out. Push up on the charging handle, you'll feel it separate the bolt. Pull your original 556 bolt out. You take the CMMG 22 long rifle conversion bolt, insert it. When you insert the bolt, make sure this portion of the bolt is upright. We insert the bolt as such. Push it in. You'll feel it. You'll actually feel it, and you'll hear a click. Charging handle in. The bolt is now flush with the upper receiver. We then close the upper and lower receivers. Push the pin back in. We now have a AR that is capable of shooting 22 long rifle with the CMMG conversion kit.